Hello! Today we just read a story about Scardey Squirrel, and it's about Scardey Squirrel making a new friend, and it was someone that he least expected. So sometimes you don't have to have the same likes or look the same, have the same interests. You just might surprise you. So the more friends, the better. So I have actually a squirrel in my background somewhere. Have a look around and see if you can find a squirrel anywhere. Do you see him? So every day, this little squirrel sits up here, and his name is Speedy Squirrel. So some of my little friends nicknamed him Speedy Squirrel. So Speedy Squirrel is always sitting up on that shelf watching you. And today, I actually painted this picture. Today, we're actually going to draw a squirrel. And we're going to draw a squirrel using the letter S. That's going to be kind of tricky. So, all you need is a piece of paper, some crayons. I have a few markers here. We're going to draw a really easy squirrel using shapes and letters. Okay? So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle. Just like that, to the side of your page, a little circle. Then we're going to draw an oval attached to the circle. Can you figure out what parts of the body this is? Next, we're going to draw that S. So I'm going to start at the top. Maybe I'll do it in black so you can see the S. So it's kind of a curvy S, but it's attached to the back of the body. So I'm going to make this tail a little fluffy, so I'm going to make this like a bubble S. Sometimes we make bubble letters. So there's the little tail. S. We just learned that letter. S. It makes the sound S. So S is the first letter in squirrel. So we're missing a few body parts here. We need the legs, the 4 legs. Just put those at the bottom. These are legs like little arms too. And then we need, I'm going to use another circle for the eye. I'm going to use another circle for a little nose. You can do whatever color you want. And then this squirrel's pretty happy. I'm going to put a big smile. I'm missing one thing. Ears. I'm going to draw a couple of triangles. Those 2 ears. And you can name your squirrel anything you want. You can color it in if you want. And I guess I'm not going to name this Speedy. I'm going to call it Sammy Squirrel. Sammy Squirrel. So you can use a S word for a name, or you can name it whatever you want. Now this squirrel is brown. And I just happen to have a little song before we go. So it goes like this. Brown squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Brown squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Wiggle up your little nose. Hold a nut between your toes. Brown squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Now, not all squirrels are brown. There's a few different colors of squirrels. Let's try that with the red squirrel. Red squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Red squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Wiggle up your little nose, put a nut between your toes. Red squirrel, swish your bushy tail. So there you go. I want you to try and make a new friend next time you're out with some new people. And have a look for those squirrels. They're running around everywhere looking for nuts. Bye, guys.